Using the Sparrow on an actual patient was also really easy. I used it on a patient in our competition, and I was able to get it on within a couple of seconds. A few things about the Sparrow make it easier than vents that we've had before. Control-wise, it has a single dial that controls most of the settings, and you can see all the settings on this one screen without having to click through any menus or look for things that aren't on that screen, which makes it super easy. It's also easy to set for the patient because it has presets based on patient weight going all the way down to 5 kilos. So it was very easy to program for the patient, and I was able to apply it and have it ventilate the patient very quickly.